Well, the wax won't. It's okay to eat wax.
Depending on what kind of wax. Wouldn't want to eat earwax, would you? How about Mrs. Witherwax?
Oh, I know what these are.
No, they're not. They're not supposed to be. They're not. They're small.
They aren't. They're not supposed to be trick. They look trick to me, though. Trick candles spark out.
I know. They're not supposed to be tricky. Watch out.
I haven't asked you to buy those weird
But
things.
I like them. I think they're cool. Watch out. Daniel, stop. Hey, give me that.
Hey, Bryony,
Oh. Give me that. Daniel, stop.
you want to move around over there?
Come around behind us. No, they're not. They're regular moons. They're just candles.
Y'all having fun?
Yeah. Aren't you? I don't know how
About as much as Mama is.
Yeah.
Roll 'em out. Happy birthday to you.